What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am bringing you guys 4 simple high protein recipes from my Trader Joe's grocery haul. So let's get started. We are starting here with chicken thighs for my blackened chicken. So I'm using parsley, salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, as well as some other herbs and spices. Now, I like to debone the chicken thighs. It makes them crispier, it makes them easier to measure. So please note that I am not measuring anything for the seasoning here. So again, salt, pepper, I'm putting some paprika on them, and there's nothing like a really good quality blackened chicken recipe. This will be able to go well with everything from salads to stir fries to rice bowls. It's just going to be really, really simple, adding some parsley here on top of that. Now, in addition, there is a really nice seasoning from Trader Joe's called Herbs de Provence. I really just used it for the thyme in it, but you can use thyme, you can use oregano, you can use whatever type of seasoning that you like, but this is typically the combo I do for blackened chicken. Now, I'm tossing it really good just to get it evenly distributed. Now, I'm putting this in an air fryer. This air fryer is on my Amazon storefront. This is Old Faithful. I line it with parchment paper, putting it skin side down first. Now, putting it in the air fryer, I'm setting it for 400 degrees for 18 minutes. So letting that cook. Now, after the 18 minutes, I'm flipping it over so the skin can get crispy, but it's all juicy, amazing, and delicious. I will put the link in the description here so you guys can check out my Amazon storefront and all the goodies in there. But look at how amazing this chicken turns out. It is crispy, seasoned, flavorful, juicy, and something just really good to meal prep that you can get from Trader Joe's. And now I'm cutting it into pieces. So I will be storing this in a big glass container, which is part of the strategy that I like to use for my Flex Prep, which if you need a meal plan that's flexible, please check out the Flex Prep series on my website. Now, with that being said, you guys, this chicken here is going to be juicy. It's going to be amazing, and this is how it looks. Now, please note that I am using chicken thighs here, not chicken breast. It's going to be juicier. I don't really like blackened chicken breast as a personal preference. Sous vide chicken thighs. There's a lot you could do with this. Really good macros, already cooked. Now, I could just take this, put it in a skillet. I could take it, just drop it in the air fryer, but I was feeling a little adventurous, so I wanted to put it in a food processor to make it like the shredded chicken vibes. I took a jalapeno, put that in there. Now I'm going to be making baked chicken tacos with the corn tortillas that I got from Trader Joe's. And I am just making this chicken mixture really flavorful, really spicy. Again, I blended an entire jalapeno, adding some cumin to this just to give it that nice taco vibes to it. Again, you could add salt and pepper. I'm adding the tahini seasoning here just to give it a little bit of kick to the flavor for that chili lime vibe. You could also use Trader Joe's. I'm using a whipped cream cheese spread, putting 1 to 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and mixing that up. So I have this nice concoction here, which is going to go inside of the chicken tacos that I am going to bake. So I'm lining a tray with parchment paper using these amazing corn tortillas from Trader Joe's, where 2 of them is about 22, 23 carbs, which is great. So lining them all out here on the tray, and I'm putting like 1 to 2 tablespoons of the chicken mixture, and I'm going to bake them. So I'm adding some shredded cheese as well. And this is really family friendly. You can do so many variations of this, but I'm folding them now. If anyone has any tips on how to get the corn tortillas to not break, but to me, I didn't really care that they broke because it's just going to be one nice, crispy, delicious mess. And you guys, these are so good. Like, they are so delicious. Now, you could dip this into like a spicy salsa. You could dip this into like sour cream. You could do all kinds of things with it, but it's very family friendly, super delicious. I really think you guys will love this. Now this next thing here I am making from Trader Joe's is the chicken maple sausage rice bowls. So I already pre-chopped some garlic. I keep it in olive oil in that little mini jar. And I'm taking 4 of these maple chicken breakfast sausages and I'm cutting them into 1/4 inch slices, 1/4 inch round slices. And as you can see, that's how I'm making them. And it just gives me more surface area in order to make these crispy and delicious because I'm really big on texture. So as you guys can see, I am stir frying it. I love zucchini and red bell peppers. This is just so awesome because I love it when my meals are very filling, and that's why I choose those veggies. Weighed out my rice portion. Now please note I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to the stir fry just to like really get it get the steam going. So I'm trying to not add more oil. Now I added some soy sauce, but you can also do coconut aminos as well for my stir fry. But this is like something I would eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and I am using everything but the bagel seasoning. This stuff is awesome, so good. I put that stuff on everything. But look how yummy this is, my friends. Like, this is so good. All these items are from Trader Joe's. Now, a simple recipe here, guys. Everything but the bagel seasoning and chicken thighs. I already deboned these chicken thighs using the same method I did from the beginning when I showed you the blackened chicken. But I'm showing you guys how to make this on a skillet. This is, again, literally 1 ingredient. I'm just going back and forth, cooking it here on the skillet, but you will see this is just going to get so amazing and delicious. I'm also adding a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I do love food that is nicely seasoned, but as this stuff cooks, like I let it sit there a little bit so it gets like all like that nice goodness, but after a point I did put the lid on it just so the actual meat on the inside could cook. Now remember, I did take the bones out of this, so this will cook a little bit faster, but look at how awesome this is, you guys. And I just cooked up a pack of 4, but if you have a bigger family and you're cooking for a longer amount of days, obviously do more. But look at how good this is, my friends. It doesn't have to be complicated. Now I did carrots, I did the Trader Joe's petite peas, and creating a stir fry here. And this fried rice that I'm making is going to be stored in the fridge in bulk. So check that out, adding the rice that I just cooked, stir frying it, adding some soy sauce. And this will be part of the meal prep that will go in the fridge, and I could tap into this whenever. So that concludes today's Trader Joe's high protein meal prep. If you need a custom meal plan, or if you need to schedule a one-on-one complimentary discovery call with me to find out what would be best for you, make sure you check the link in the description box below or comment the word call. Enjoy. Talk to you next time.